Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I want to show you what you need to get from Dollar Tree right now to start your garden season. So I shop at Dollar Tree every single year. Every time that they put their garden stuff out, I try to be the first one there. So I'm checking probably weekly. And I also have someone at the Dollar Tree that I know. So I can get there when things are freshly put out. Otherwise, they get picked over really quickly. So if you're new here, my name is Ciearra. I garden in Ohio, zone 5. Sometimes it's zone 6-ish. And I grow houseplants, I grow garden plants, I have chickens, and we do it all here. So I hope you guys follow along, and let's go ahead and get started with this Dollar Tree haul. So one of the reasons to shop at Dollar Tree for some of your garden supplies is the seeds. Their seeds are 4 for $1. And these are really good seeds. I use them every single year. And I always have great germination. I love to get their zinnia seeds, their vegetable seeds. And this year I grabbed some petunia seeds. Come on. And I grabbed some of their wildflower blend seeds, along with zinnias, obviously. Now you want to be careful with the blended seeds in these big giant packs. See, look how big they are compared to a normal size pack. They are basically selling you mostly fluff in these because if you read the back of the package, it says 49% flower seed, 51% inert matter. And I don't think we really know what that inert matter is. And then on the zinnia packet, it's 12% zinnia elegans seeds and 88% inert matter. So just be aware of that. Let me show you what that looks like on this packet. So you can see there how they divide it up and show you the percentage of what is actually in this packet. So just be aware of that when you are shopping, looking at seed packets. This one has a lot more fluff than actually seeds, and these ones as well. So if you're expecting to get a full packet of seeds, that's not what you're getting with this. This is probably mostly gimmicky. You will get more in this than you would in this, but still you're not getting what it is kind of advertising a full packet this big. Anyways, so let's move on to the next item. So the next thing that you want to look out for at Dollar Tree are these pots. I love these pots for starting seeds in. These are great for putting in a seed that you know is going to grow really fast. Hi. For seeds that you know are going to grow really fast. So like starting tomatoes in this is awesome. Or these can be your next round of, sir, move. Can you just sit? Thank you. Good boy. So I also use these outside of just potting seeds straight in it. I also use these to pot up a seedling. So to move a seedling up from a seed starting pot up to this, these are great for that. I buy these every single year, and I also keep the ones from prior years. So I have a good stockpile of these right now, but I always like to buy new ones because sometimes they do get damaged during the season. So these are great to have, and they're $1.25. Let me see if the size is on here. These look like they're about 4 inches, 4-inch pots. So get you some of these. So another thing that I like to buy from Dollar Tree, and I just did this last year, are their soil blocks. Now these are compressed, and when you add water to them, they get up to 3 quarts. So you'll get up to 3 quarts of soil. Sir, what? Do you want to be in the video? Come here. Come here. Yeah. Can you say hi? Oh, why do you have to climb on me? You're too big. Say hi. Say hi. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, anyways. Buy these, they are good. Put them in water, they'll expand to 3 quarts, and you'll have a good seed starting medium. You can use this to pot up anything, houseplants, whatever. You can use this. This is soil. All right, next item. I like to buy my trays. Here, my drip trays from Dollar Tree. You can get a good amount for $1.25. I buy all the sizes that they have, and they last for a really long time. So these are definitely something that you'll want to get, especially if you are a houseplant person or if you are starting bulbs and things in pots. These work perfectly. Let me see, let me show you. So like if you've got pots, you can stick them in there. This will catch the water so you don't mess up any of your surfaces that this is sitting on. So definitely grab these trays, and I'm actually going to get more because I always need these. I have older ones that are cracking, so I like to buy as many of these as I can, and I am going to go back and get more because I was being really modest when I went there the first time shopping. Okay, so my next item, I buy these every single year. I love them. I still keep my ones from last year that didn't break, that don't like break, and they are awesome. I highly recommend if you are growing anything climbing, anything that grows tall like tomatoes, cucumbers, whatever, and you need garden clips. I buy these every single year, and they are so good. They do break sometimes if you're rough with them, but they work more than they don't work, if that makes sense. So I use these mainly in the garden, but I've used them on house plants, like trellising things. These are just awesome. Buy these clips. I use these mainly for my tomatoes, and then anything that's kind of needs extra support that is trailing or climbing. So definitely get these plant clips. I got 2, 3 packs, and I still have some left over from prior seasons. Definitely buy these clips. You will love them. They are awesome. For $1.25 each, they are definitely worth that. Okay, last but not least, I have never seen this at Dollar Tree before. I'm thinking it's new this year, or maybe it's just new to my area, but Dollar Tree has cloches. These are perfect for planting your vegetables out early in the season and being able to protect them from extreme temperatures. So check this out. It's even got this little dial here that you can open to allow airflow or to close. Such a great find. So I got, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and I might check back next week and grab some more when I go back to get more of these. But look at this. Such a great buy for $1.25. Now these are not like overly sturdy. They're squishy. However, they will do the job of protecting your plant. So you have your plant planted, you know that cold weather is coming, frost, you know, low temps. So you just put this over your plant, make sure this top part is closed, and this will act as a greenhouse to protect your plants. This is not a all season long thing. This is just for extreme cold weather. So super, super cool. I'm so excited about all these things. If you are a Dollar Tree shopper, head to your Dollar Trees, get your garden supplies. Your stores may have them out already. It's January. They've got it out in stores here in Ohio, so check your stores and let me know what you guys find. Happy gardening!